Okay, for my next project, I'm going to build a mini bike frame with some steel that I've had from other projects and stuff just laying around, left over from other projects. I think there's enough there to build a decent little mini bike frame. The wheels will be the Harbor Freight wheels again. I don't know, I guess because I like to do things cheap. And the engine will be the Predator engine, also from Harbor Freight. That too I had laying around from other projects. So I don't know, I guess I could call this part one maybe. The start of the mini bike frame. Okay, I'm going to begin by cutting this bar in half. That'll be like the front forks, and the square tubing I'm going to cut in half, and that'll be like kind of like frame rails on a go-kart. It'll be the two lower parts of the frame where the engine would mount and the rear wheels. Okay, I have most of my pieces cut for the frame, and it doesn't look like a frame right now. I guess I'll have to tack some pieces in place and you'll see how much of a frame it really is, but as of right now I'm not sure how wide to make the lower part. I'll have to put a sprocket and wheel together and make a spacer to center it, and then that'll be the width of the frame on the lower part. And then I can start welding, I guess. Okay, a look at what I got so far on the mini bike frame.